General Assembly Course Platform Review. Still good? Links to the product were added to the description. General Assembly is one of the most recognized names in tech and professional skills training, and in this review, I'm cutting straight to what matters: features, who it's for, and whether it still delivers real value in 2026. General Assembly's core strength is its mix of immersive, instructor-led training and flexible online options that span high-demand fields like software development, data science, UX/UI design, digital marketing, product management, and cybersecurity. Unlike many self-paced platforms that offer only videos, GA provides structured courses with real human interaction, live classes, expert instructors, and classmates, which makes it a strong choice for learners who need accountability and guided support to stay on track. For those pursuing career transitions, their immersive programs are designed to mirror industry workflows and include capstone projects, portfolio deliverables, and often career coaching that helps with interview prep, resume refinement, and job search strategies. This focus on practical outcomes sets General Assembly apart from platforms that offer open-ended learning without a clear path to employment. Another key feature is GA's global network and local campus presence in major cities, which can be beneficial for networking and meetups, though their online offerings have become the primary delivery method in recent years. The quality of instruction is generally high, with seasoned professionals teaching the courses and industry-relevant curriculums updated regularly to reflect current tools and practices. That said, General Assembly isn't a budget option. Immersive programs, especially full-time boot camps, are a significant investment, and while they often come with financing options, income share agreements, or employer sponsorships, the cost is higher than subscription-based platforms or standalone courses. For part-time learners or those only seeking skill refreshers, GA's short courses may feel expensive compared to competitors like Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning. Another consideration is that immersive outcomes vary by market and by individual effort. While many graduates find job placements in tech fields, results are not guaranteed and depend on your background, effort, and local demand. Overall, General Assembly remains a solid choice in 2026 for people serious about transitioning into tech roles or upskilling with structured support. Its combination of live instruction, project-based learning, career services, and industry focus makes it particularly valuable if you thrive in guided environments and want a clear roadmap from training to employment. If you're an independent learner looking for flexible, low-cost microlearning, you may find better value in other platforms. But for career-oriented training with expert guidance and tangible outcomes, General Assembly continues to hold strong.